bolting to the gearbox.
That water running off.
Sure. I can take a picture and just send it to this number.
That is Flood River.
Oh, wait a minute.
Look at that, Chief. That is
Yeah, I know it. It's running there. 270-349.
Oh, I can feel it. I'm steering off of it.
3380.
Look at that.
All right, Jay. I'll send that along with the gear ratio. Yep.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, that shit is rolling, dude.
I'm telling you, I can feel it. I'm steering. I had to steer off that shit. I was steering off of it. I'm telling you. It's gonna land us. We gotta land here. I gotta stop and hold up for a southbounder. I was trying to get up here above that damn dike. Cause look at that. Look, Chief.
Dude, I know. I've seen it. I said, man.
Look at the way it's like got a river going. I mean, like yeah. Oh,
Now, what would it be doing if that drift wasn't all there?
It's starting to push it over. That's the top of the dike. It's right at the top of it. Yeah. And we got another 3-4 foot rise. That's gonna be nice. Yeah, that's getting it. That is a trip.
Yeah, I gotta take a couple pictures for him.
That is a trip.
Oh, get back.
It is getting it there. On southbound traffic coming down here at Dogtooth, but look at this. The river is out of its banks for sure. Look at that. A little bit. Look at that. Just getting it. All down through there, right across that line. And I think we got another 3 foot rise or so here. It don't really suck you down in there that bad yet, but another 3 or 4 foot it will. Be bearing some watching. Getting it, look at that. Woo! Waterball. Yeah, Mississippi River. Eagle. We're out of here. Still got a bit of drip in spots. Anyway. We are out of here. Here at Dogtooth, northbound. Cruising.